grass is always green. We bring the power, we've got the machine. Silent but strong, watch us mow it down. Volt and bolts here, we'll own this town. Electric dreams running wild and free. Cut it through the weeds, just you and me. Volt and bolts, we're here to inspire. With every lawn we mow, we light the fire.
What's up, fam? We're back at home base, but I'm gonna put you guys onto some game real quick because I wish I would have found a video on this on YouTube. There wasn't one, so whatever. First and foremost, this is the PS1000. Okay? The really cool thing about this is you could release this and it extends. Okay? This pole is an extension for that, so we can get even longer. Always make sure to have lube in your pole saw. That pole saw is amazing. It cuts better and the blade lasts longer than my 18-inch, my 16-inch, and my 20-inch chainsaws. Originally I bought this from Lowe's, AC 1000, and I'm like, listen, I think that's for the aluminum shaft. I got the carbon fiber. They're like, no, this is it. I'm like, man, I don't think so. Well, let me tell you something. I was right. This is the correct part number. AC 1000 with a Q. I bought like 4 of those things, and I told them, I'm like, listen, I don't think that's the right one. And they're like, no. They went in their computer, they did their little thing. They're like, no, it's for the right one. I'm like, no. Okay. So I bought 4 of them. Opened one of them. Now I have to go all the way back to that Lowe's. That's like 15 miles from my house. Yeah, I always keep extra chainsaw blades on deck. So I got one for my 16-inch, got one for my 18-inch, and we are using this pole saw today. So bringing an extra one of these just in case. So I want to show you guys, this is not a mechanical connection. It's an electrical connection. You got power, ground, the safety switch, and probably like a slow and fast speed or something like that. But I'm going to give you some context on how tall this is. Keep in mind, you don't want to keep this thing out in the elements. Otherwise, you may mess up something in there. Okay? The other side looks like that. Josh, I'm recording. So that's pretty much as long as it goes, and I could reach that limb all the way up there, which is higher than my roof. I'd put that around like 16 to 18 feet. This is the carbon fiber shaft model, okay? You got a reservoir to hold your fluid. You have a metal tooth chuck right there for kickback. You got a brushless motor here. So this should last a really, really long time. Given that none of these switches here go out or anything like that. Great feature is that the handle unlocks and allows you to place it wherever. And yeah, this thing's long. I'll post the specs up here in the corner. This also comes with a clip for a shoulder strap. Each extension shows you exactly where it needs to meet. Runs on 56 volts, just like all of them. And it's model number PS1000. It has very easy adjustments here. You just twist, unlock it. As you can see, I keep my chain tight. And that thing, I've used this. This blade, this one, it's a good blade. Lasts a while. I think it might be made by Oregon, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure who Ego subcontracts their chains out to. You got a fold down handle here. It just slides down pretty easy there. So stay tuned for some action shots. 1, 2, 3. We're using the Eco pole saw with an extension in the middle. We got the 16 and the 18 inch. Okay, and we're going to be taking down this mulberry tree. Plan is to cut it at the top, take it down by the V, make another cutter right around here. He wants it right about there, so he could put statues on them. So yeah, here we go, stay tuned. Butter, baby, like butter.
But strong, watch us mow it down. Broken poles here